This is a Commodore, a Wasteland talk. As you see, we have quite the variety of very exotic, unique beverages. And me, as the buffalo wing whore as I am, I chose this one. Lexer Phoenix Buffalo Wing Soda. It's a soda. So, this is my first time trying it, so we're going to find out if I like it or not. So, apparently needs a bottle opener.
We got a bottle opener. In theory.
Whoever offers first.
Bottle opener.
Bottle opener, okay. Let's try this again. Stubborn little bitch.
Just like me.
It's open. It took a few tries, but I got it. Alright, so let's give it a smell. That actually smells pretty good. That actually smells pretty good. Alright, here's to us. That's interesting.
What flavor do you get?
Nothing.
Really?
It's very sweet, which is weird because I know it's right there from Buffalo.
Yeah.
Like, it always tastes like my nut busters without the nut.
So the vasectomy.
Yeah, like honestly, you can even try this. No, there's no spice.
I'm like that scares me.
Like, trust me, there's nothing. See? You need another try. You have to try it again. Because it's like, this is not what I'm expecting. This tastes nothing.
There's nothing.
Nothing.
There's a little carbonation.
Like buffalo wings.
Well, you got room for rum in it now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I love buffalo wings. Because like this, like Lexer Phoenix, you fucked up.
Lexer's Fixins.
Whatever his fucking is, he's a dumb shit anyway because can't get a fucking buffalo wing right. No, not rum. No, I don't do darts. I don't do darts. Wait, white rum? Okay. Okay. Okay.